Hi friends, I'm Ruben. In this video, we talk about the GTT order. It is one of the type of order in Zerodha. GTT order is used for the long-term investors and the monthly contract of futures and option in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's discuss in briefly. GTT. The GTT means good till triggered. Good till triggered means it was introduced by Zerodha on 26th July 2019. It's 1 year before it was introduced by Zerodha. It is an update version of GTC. Before GTT, there is a GTC, the good till cancelled. It was used by full service brokers and some discount brokers are providing. But Zerodha used that GTC into GTT for the traders to attract that new idea. So GTT was support only to CNC. CNC means the delivery orders and Nifty and Bank Nifty future and options. So GTT support only these orders. And the next one is GTT types. What are all the types? The first one is buy GTT, and the second one is sell GTT, and the third one is OCO. OCO means one cancel others. Let's discuss detail. Here buy GTT means buy GTT can be created trigger to buy stock for delivery. It means you have to set your price as well as your trigger price. Let's see an example. If the current price of Reliance is 1485.30, but your to trigger price is 1500 and your limit price is 1505. It means if the price will come at 1500, then your trigger will execute at the price of 1505, the limit price. So it is a buy GTT. This is a step. You can execute the buy GTT. Here you have to select the transaction type. You have to select the buy, and then trigger type is single. You have to set the price and trigger price. Here you can the CNC, select the CNC and the limit, and then trigger price is 1500, the quantity is 1, and then price is 1505. Then you have to place the order. And then next one is sell GTT. Sell GTT is opposite to the buy GTT. You can sell the stocks in the market. Current price of INFI equal to 785.70. Your trigger price is 799, and then your limit price equal to 790 at the same. This order will executed if you have the stock in your demat account. You already have a buy some stock. It was stored in the demat account. Then you can sell the orders, and then the buyer is available at that price. That is a limit price. These are all the criteria for sell GTT. Let's see in example. Here the steps. First you have to select the order type in sell, and then trigger type is you have to single. Single means you have to set your price only, sell price. Here you can set your trigger as well as quantity and your price, limit price, the same price. Let's create it. And then there is a rules. SEBI, there's a rules. SEBI introduced a new rule for the sale of delivery. The rule was the trader get a CDSL, Central Depository Service Limited, tip into authorize your holding stocks for selling purpose. And then the CDSL pin will send it to the registered mobile and email ID of the particular user, and then that authorization pin is valid for 90 days. The valid for 90 days, then it will expire. So you can use that authorization pin for 90 days, and this is not required if you have submitted a POA. POA means power of attorney. Let's see the power of attorney. The power of attorney means a power of attorney or letter of attorney is a written authorization to represent or act on another behalf in private affairs, business, or some other legal matters. The person authorizing the other to act is the principal grantor or donor. It means you have to select a particular person, he will take care that your stocks or your assets. This is the meaning of POA, the power of attorney. The next one is the limitations of Zerodha GTT. The GTT is only available in the equity delivery segment and the Nifty and Bank Nifty future and options, I already told. And then if you are placing a sell GTT on your securities, you have to hold your stock in the demat account. You have to already buy it, then only you can sell the stocks. Then you need to authorize a delivery CDSL pin. You need a CDSL T pin, and then it will valid for the authorization is valid for 90 days. This is not required if you submitted a POA, I already told. And then GTT order can be placed only during market hours, in the trading hours from 9:15 to 3:30. That time you can execute the order. Then the order is sent to the exchange only when the price reaches the trigger price set. It means you can set the trigger price for 1700, means it will, when the price, the particular stock will come, that price, then only your stock will trigger in the limit price. You have set a limit price, that price will listed in the buy or sell side. And the next one is the same limitations. GTT order have been placed online. They can be placed over the call. You can place only in online, your platform only. For example, in Kiteweb or others, you can't be placed over the call. It means you can call your Zerodha brokers and you can place an order of GTT. It's not possible. And then the maximum 50 active GTT order are permitted per customer. It means each customer, each user permitted 50 GTT. They can create a 50 GTT is a maximum. And then active GTT order will be in a system for a maximum of 1 year. It means your GTT, if you created a GTT, it will valid for 1 year, then it will cancelled. Then the GTT order will be cancelled automatically when there are corporate actions like a bonus dividend if greater than 5% of market value, and then stock split, etc. It means if the company will provide the bonus or dividend is greater than 5% of market value, then the GTT will cancelled automatically. And the next one is sell GTT OCO. One cancels other. It means if you let's see the example is Infi stock. Infi means Infosys. Let's current price is 785. Here we can stop loss trigger price equal to 700 and the stop loss limit price equal to 700, and then target trigger price equal to 800, the target limit price equal to 800. In this example, if either of stop loss trigger or target trigger, any one price is triggered, then the other prices will be cancelled. So the OCO, the one cancels other. It is the meaning of the one cancels the. It is used in sell GTT. If you already have a stock in your demat account and a buyer is available in the market at the limit price. So these are all the criteria for sell GTT OCO. And the step is, here is a step. You can select the sell order type, and then trigger type is OCO. It means there is a trigger price of stop loss and trigger price of target, and then there is a limit prices of both trigger price of stop loss and trigger price of target. Then you can select your quantity and create your OCO order. So overall GTT is helpful for the long time investors, those who buy the share and hold for a long time, and it will helpful to the contract of monthly contract of future and options in Nifty and Bank Nifty. The overall GTT is useful for the 1 year period. If you buy or sell the share at the particular price point, then that share will come to that price point only, your order will execute. If that price will not come there, then your order will pending in the order list of. So keep in mind guys, the expiry of GTT is 1 year and the maximum limit is 50 orders in the GTT for one user. So overall, compared to GTT is a new innovative idea for the Zerodha. Friends, if you have any doubt in this concept, please ask question in the comment section. I will clear your doubts. Let's see you in the next video. Thank you friends.